the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, video tech, content tech. All of the things that make your videos look better, your content creation look better, we do it right here on this channel. And today we're taking a look at the DJI RSC2. What this is a stabilizer or a gimbal that you can use when you're filming, taking video, pictures. It gets that steady shot. DJI makes a lot of gimbals, makes a lot of tools that you can use. You can use the mobile phone one, the Osmo Mobile, but this one is for your full frame camera, and it's pretty good. This is the setup I use when I'm filming my videos. Right here I have the RSC2. It holds my Sony a7C. Got a little mic on top, so the sound can come out a little bit clearer. But this thing will keep your videos clear. You can use it in a lot of different functions, a lot of different situations, and it's great. I'm going to flip it around here. Don't know if you can see, but the RSC2 has this back area with your control stick where you can control what you're viewing, move the camera left, right, up and down, and it keeps it stabilized. It also has a record button. You can take pictures with it as well. You have a mode button to get you through the different modes. On front here, you can see we have a focus wheel where you can focus in. You need a Raven eye for that. I don't have the Raven eye with my setup, but that is an option. And it has this trigger button, which I think is real cool. When you get set in, you press the trigger button. It keeps the camera in that same angle that you had it in when you press the button. So if you use the Osmo Mobile 5 or the Osmo Mobiles for your phone, this is the big boy for your camera. It's pretty cool. I suggest if you into filming things, into doing videography, and you want to keep that steady shot, get some real cool shots, real cool effects, this is a tool you use. That was just a quick look at the RSC2. Overall, I think it's a great gimbal, a great tool for cinematography, great tool for if you're just doing videos for fun. It's a great addition that DJI added to their lineup. It's affordable. Check it out. As always, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching Eye in the Sky channel. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Be safe and have fun flying.